So guys, we're getting absolutely minced by the fish now. It's ridiculous. Bite after bite. No fish after fish. I've had a right drop back and I've literally just let it sit back like I want the fish to pick it back up. It's literally all we've had all morning, guys. Every sort of 20 minutes or so. Getting a little run. And then nothing. Well, Lewis did have a fish.
Literally.
And it's come off.
Yeah, middle of making bacon and egg sandwiches. What an interruption.
What the hell? Yeah. Oh, let's have a look what you got on there. Lower it down a bit. Let's have a look. So guys, it's got a 1.5 down to a braided size 10?
Yeah, size 10, £10 braid.
Size 10, £10 braid.
Just anti-tangle sleeve.
Anti-tangle sleeve, by the way.
Kicks the bait out of it.
And then a manila boilie.
Yeah, manila boilie, that
on
is.
a size 10 hair rig.
Yeah.
That's what he got his 20, well,
26.
20, yeah, 26.
26 was it, yeah?
Yeah.
My PB.
Oh, hold on. Look on this side.
Yeah.
I reckon this, I can zoom, can't I?
Oh yeah.
That's better. Oh yeah, seen that on the camera.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with where that was.
Basically what he's trying to do is just hang off the ledge of the island. To be fair, by the looks of that, that's what he's done.
Yeah. I always lately to have a little pull back because there's so much sort of different territory on this leg.
Yeah.
So I have a cast out, let my weight settle, and I just have a little tug back to try and feel what I'm on. And I'm on some real nice ground there.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to enjoy our bacon and egg sandwich when we get back to you.
And hopefully dessert can be no-nos.
Yeah, and the alarm will be doing that.
Yeah. Well guys, Lewis has had a fish on his manila boilie.
Oh yeah. It's a bit nippy.
It is very, very cold today. It was cold though. I mean, it was warmer last night at like 1 in the morning.
Yeah, I was fighting that fish at 2 in the morning in my t-shirt, I swear I was.
You was?
Yeah. And I'm shivering now. But yeah, been messing with me bobbing all morning, to be honest, guys. It's a little beaut, to be fair. Look at that. Oh, fuck.
You just got a cloud on the side of the head.
I know.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. On a manila boilie. Size 10 hook. You got a very lively carp.
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Slimed all up my head.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. It's a nice morning wake up call, that. What a beaut. Anyway, we're getting back now.
Yeah.
Are you fishing into the island, are you?
Nah, down in front of these trees.
That's where I was, I did not have a tank, probably for about 2 days.
No.
Yeah.
Every time I fished on this side, I've got in front of them trees.
Yeah.
Were you in front of it? In the margin.
One's in the margin and in front.
Is that in front of it?
This one's in front there.
He doesn't, does he? No. Nah, we were here last night.
Did you work for the night?
Yeah, to be fair. I beat my PB in the night.
Oh, fair play.
26 mirror.
Oh, nice. Fair play.
It was alright. Yeah. I was buzzing with it. Probably, to be fair. We come here for the sturgeon a lot of times though. We're trying to get the big one out, like. But yeah, he hovers around 30, 34. Oh, he done me then.
He's done you, girls car. Done you, bro.
Yeah, he's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, he's a nice one.
That's a mid-double, isn't he?
I'd say so.
Yeah. Got scales? Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
What's going on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's some boilies again.
Old as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, honestly, God, mate, I've tried fucking everything on there.
Cheese and garlic river pellets.
Yeah,
I swear to God, mate.
get them in there.
You're right. Oh, stick with that now. I can't be bothered now, man. I'm fucking too cold. I'll tell you what, you come back next time, I'll have one of them off you.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, that's all we catch them, isn't it?
At the minute, yeah. Fucking loving them, innit? That or a manila boilie.
It's like they don't, it's just something they probably don't see, innit?
Yeah, they're not used to it, I don't think.
But honestly, guys, everywhere I've ever been, I've never seen anybody use the word I'm using at the moment.
Yeah.
You know the Ronnie rig
Yeah.
with a screw?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is I'm sticking fucking bait floss through the boiler.
Yeah.
It's like you got the boiler out with a load of maggots on top. And everywhere I ever go, it always works.
Yeah.
Except for fucking air.
Fuck's sake.
Except for fucking air. Even
Yeah.
catfish love it.
Yeah, I bet, yeah.
You ain't gonna catch catfish in this weather now. It's too fucking 114.
Ooh, I'll go for 15. I'll go
Definitely
go
large and
close.
yellow.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You grab the net and I'll grab the rod.
I'm still doing there. Right,
Yeah, he's a bloody good one.
I don't know, yeah. Like, I think you might be more like with a 15. You might be scraping 16 there.
Yeah, possibly. Ooh.
You do YouTube videos?
Yeah, we've just started them, we have, yeah.
Any good?
Yeah, it's not bad, we're getting there, like, slowly getting the hang of it.
What are you called?
Blank breakers, real. Yeah, have a look, cheers. Yeah, they've So guys, just had a lovely carp out, didn't you, Shay?
Yeah, I did,
Lovely
yeah.
one, yeah. Nice £16, was it?
Yeah, 16.
There we go. And literally I had a bite whilst you were weighing yours.
Yeah.
Lost it somewhere there.
Yeah, out there by the island where you seen him casting.
And then, yeah, I've cast it straight back out. Bobbins up again. And, yeah, just constant drop backs.
Yeah, it happens with all of us.
Yeah, I've lost one or two, but I just keep straight back on the same area, like.
That's what you got to do
Yeah.
sometimes, guys.
That's on the Manila boilie. We're in the right spots, really.
Yeah,
by the
we
looks of
are.
it. We are getting the fish out. Really, you can't get much better for me. I did my work last night.
Yeah,
Like.
literally. It could get better for you.
It could. I really wish it would, but I will go home satisfied either way.
Yeah.
It was like you yesterday, though. 17 minutes, and you had one out.
Yeah.
Like, just dunked the rods in.
Yeah, it's so strange, guys.
Yeah, we have had some good luck lately.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we'll tune in when something else happens.
Yeah, hopefully. No-nos.
Fingers crossed. Lewis is in.
With a nice one.
Not happy.
This is proper going for it, this.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice shot with the lake in the background. You can see all the shadows from the clouds and that on the lake. Yeah.
This is on a bit of hot dog sausage and manila boilie. Not my usual type of hook either. I went for a size 6, which is quite big for me. Wide gape.
Yeah.
It feels like another beaut.
Oh no. Is that your other one? That filter looks like a good fish. What you reckon, guys?
I'm saying Sturgeon.
Huge I am, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, literally seconds. Must have. I hadn't even put the bobbin on.
I'm telling you, take some work. That's it.
Man, the dad's gone there, fuck it.
Mate,
I've got to be off so fucking rebate him.
Nah. It's ridiculous.
them
Once you cast that fucking out.
Yeah.
literally, he cast it out, let it settle. He went, oh, I don't know whether I'm happy with that. Started reeling, like just tightened the line from the slack, and then it just went. Some garlic and cheeses, mate. That's what you want. Yeah. Yeah, them garlic and cheese things are like £4 for a pot from Go Outdoors. Brilliant things.
Yeah.
They actually are.
I had 3 bites the week when you were there.
No way. Just double take.
Nah, I went too early, mate. Excitement got the better of me.
Just any time without had a bite. Yeah. Where you want it.
To be fair, it's about the only place I've ever had fish out.
Oh, I need to stop doing that. I get too excited.
I think it has. Or it's swimming towards me.
Oh, no.
What a bastard. That was a bloody good fish as well. It's all that slime. Is that a cat?
Yeah, you had a catfish on there, mate.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, no.
What size hook you going in?
Size 6, I think.
Yeah. That was a bloody right scrap, that.
But that's what they do. Catfish, them like nuts, or they just fucking plug themselves to the bottom. Which is
Yeah.
obviously what happened to you there.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
Oh, man.
That would have been.
That's definitely catfish line.
Yeah, it's got.
Which is fucking strange really in this weather because you don't usually get them fucking moving around.
No. Oh, no, it's alright. Yeah. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Come over if you want. Oh. Trying to keep the tension on it this time. Imagine if it was. Yeah, I'm just on one now. Yeah. Just in front of me here. That was on the cheese and garlic again, guys. It does, doesn't it? Yeah. I'm staying quiet. Yeah. Another carp, I reckon. Possibly. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. He's still got a bit of fight left in him.
Yes.
That's another good one, bro.
There we go, guys. The net's broke again. Nice. Yeah, man. He's in the net. Yeah,
Yeah.
Come have a look if you want. Oh, I've got you.
That's
That could be a 20.
I'd say it's quite going to be close if it's not there.
Yeah.
It's a hook out, is it?
I don't know. I just carried the rod over, to be fair. Ooh.
Yeah, hooked out.
It's got a bed on him, isn't it?
He has.
I reckon that could be a 20 now.
I think it's going to be a close if it's not. Yeah, man.
Pound 2.
£20 too. Lou?
We'll go for about 20 to be fair.
Looks decent.
You ready for the moment of truth?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. It was close, he said.
Yeah, you'll bang on with that.
What do I get? No, that's
21 point.
it's 20 over 21. That is. 20,
Yeah.
It's probably a 21.4.
It's a nice, isn't
Killed
that?
all your PBs this session.
Bloody hell.
It's a beauty, that is.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in good nick as well, you know.
It is.
Yeah.
Really good nick.
Oh shit, no scales.
Fair
eh?
play.
Cheers for letting me use it,
No,
mate.
no, don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about the fish first.
So,
Right, no rush. Maybe we'll get back with Miz anyway.
Oh. Took the thing down to the right. Yeah, there you go. I can see him now.
bloody lovely.
Yeah, mate, well done.
Ah, cheers, mate.
Literally just stuck my rods back out and now Shay's rods are going on a bit of a mad one.
Hold on, wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What a bloody winter session though, guys.
7 fish altogether so far.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
know, we're going to be here for like an hour or so. now.
Yeah. Packing up.
As we say, rods are last.
Definitely, mate. No way.
There's
No way. No way. That's been out for less than 2 minutes, guys. Go on. Do the scream. Go on. That's all I want to hear.
Who's the screaming?
I need the scream.
And the waiting for the screaming.
Not to show off either, guys, but we are the only ones catching for like the past 2 days.
Yeah, obviously don't forget to subscribe to Black Breakers.
You know what I'm saying? If you haven't already subscribed, you're just useless, aren't you, really?
Yeah,
Oh, you're not even an angler.
yeah, you're just pathetic.
Pretty much.
But like seriously, on a real note, yeah, if you want to catch fish and watch everyone else blank, then like me and Lewis do pretty much all the time.
Yeah.
Then
Watch what we do.
watch blankbreakers.co.uk.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Packing up, guys, and for once, leaving the rods until last has helped. Got another good one by the feels of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just in shower shock, bro.
I'm in shock, to be fair, with this now.
This is a joke, like I feel like it's summer.
Yeah, I didn't. To be honest, this time of year, if I come here and get a fish out, I'm happy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm happy.
To be fair, I'm quite liking this peg.
I am.
Oh,
Did you see that knock?
yeah.
And it's winter. Can you see where my line is, bro? 'Cause I can't.
Yeah, keep it there, it's going over there.
I am bloody ecstatic, guys. Could have bend in that rod. Oh,
That's a big one, that. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a very big one.
Oh, there you go, guys. I'm absolutely ecstatic. I'm loving the coloration.
Yeah, it's a mad colour, it is.
Yeah. But that is what we come out for, guys. These big carp are beautiful, don't get me wrong, but how is that? And the fight that fish has just put on. How can you not like that?
Innit? It is true.
So yeah. Not big hooks again either. I think that might have been my size 6, but usually it's about size 10, size 8 I use. Alright mate. Looking straight off.
He was not happy.